Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Noble, and you are at Noble Transformation Hub YouTube channel, world's number one artificial intelligence, where you will get all kind of information about future technologies, future skills, and artificial intelligence mainly. And artificial intelligence, this is fourth industrial revolution, where you will like it will be 16 trillion US dollar economy in next 2030, and we have to serve humanity and add value to your life at 10x values. So we'll go to philosophy of no, sorry, we'll go to the applications of AI, which is AI is relevant to any intellectual task. So if you think of any intellectual task, it is relevant to that. Okay, then modern artificial intelligence techniques are mm, pervasively and are too numerously to list here. Frequently, when a technique reaches mainstream use, it is no longer considered artificial intelligence. This phenomenon is described as the AI effect. So, a lot of you guys will get familiar with new terms like ontology, deep AI, narrow AI, and all these things. You have to remember these things. So when we connect all dots, when we go deep into the exploration of artificial intelligence, we want to learn AI deeply. So these terms will definitely help you to understand when you know the meaning. So it says that let's again go through what is AI effect. AI effect is a technique reach when technique reaches a mainstream use, it is also no longer considered artificial. The phenomenon which is described as okay is AI effect. So when it reaches to uh, mainstream use, so then it becomes AI effect. Okay, then we'll go high profile example of AI. Okay, what are the example of high profile example of AI where application is happening? Includes autonomous vehicles such as drones, self-drive cars. You have heard about Tesla. You can see other video which I have like Tesla brings, it is in self-driving car, so brings coffee. You can see that video, 1 minute video also. So Tesla is using Elon Musk. He's my role model. He is already using in Tesla. In Tesla, he's using already, and he has OpenAI also. And so medical diagnosis, it is used, and creating art such as um, poetry, uh, proving mathematical terms, playing games such as chess or Go, okay, search engines such as Google search, they're using AI, application is happening, online assistants such as Siri, okay, image recognition in photographs. Google is also using image recognition in Google. You can go and check that. Spam filtering, when you get a lot of mails, there are certain spams, like Google is already using that. You can see the mails go to the spam. It is because of machine learning. They know that these are spams and all, so it goes to their predict flight delays prediction. So it is done through predictive analysis and all. Prediction of judicial decisions, targeting online advertisement. Facebook is using it, Google is also using it. Energy store. So all these areas are already being applied, like application is happening there. So with social media sites over taking television as a source for news for young people, and news organization increasingly reliant on social media platforms for generating distribution. Major publications now use artificial intelligence technology to post stories more effectively and generate high volume of traffic. So now social media is also using all these AI applications to get more traffic and all. Facebook is using, Google and other news channels are using. Now social media news channels are there, so they are using it. AI can also produce deep fakes in content altering technology. Uh, ZDNet reports it's present something that didn't actually occur through 88% Americans believe that deep fakes can cause more harm than good. Only 47 of them believe they can be targeted. The boom of electronic year also opens public disclosure to threats of video of flash field political politician media. So these are the applications. There are negatives, also there are positives. So uh, thank you so much, guys. You are there, you are listening it, and I really appreciate. You want to change the world, you want to solve the problem. So kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not, and write in the comment section what have you learned, what you want to learn in the future. Also, you can write the comments, and if you want to learn more about AI, you can write in the comment section. We'll come up with great video about it, and you will always be learning. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next video where we'll learn about philosophy and future of AI. Thank you.